Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasir. Today I'm here with a new problem. This is Acer brand laptop, and this laptop need Windows reinstall. And we install Windows 10 in this laptop. This is Acer brand old model. This is Acer Extensa 5630Z, and this laptop have a dual core CPU and 3 GB RAM. So what need to reinstall Windows, and we need one pen drive with bootable Windows 10. I already bootable this pen drive. Plug in pen drive and power on. Then we go F2 for BIOS setup. Then we go main, then F12 boot menu, then enable it, then F10, yes, enter. Then we go F12 for this is multi-boot system. Now we take USB hard disk, twin MOS, USB 2.0, this, select this, and now pen drive booting. We go Windows 10 setup. Now we go next, install now. When serial number need, this is this Windows I install piracy Windows. This is not original, so we click skip. Then what version I install? I install Windows 10 Pro. You can install in 32-bit x86 main, 32-bit x64 main, 64-bit. I install in this laptop 64-bit. Then click and then next. I accept license agreement, click, then click next. Custom install Windows only. You see one partition system reserved, and this is a Windows 1 main, this is C drive, and this is the system reserved. Now I can delete this C drive, okay, and system reserved also delete, okay. Now I click new, apply, okay. You see system reserved, total size 500 MB. Last time you see here 100 MB. When you install Windows 7, then system reserved have a 100 MB. Now I install Windows 10. Now it's system reserved 500 MB. So click this partition. This is C drive, and click next. You see time to time percentage up. When 100% complete, then this laptop restart, then again another process start. It's 100% complete, and now restart this laptop automatically. I can restart it manually and restart automatically after 5 to 10 seconds. Then it's need again product key. We don't have product key. After Windows complete, we crack this Windows. Now I click do this later. Then Wi-Fi connect not need now. Skip this step. Use express setting. Now type username. I type SR. Then click next. Now Windows install complete. Here this is only one icon. This is recycle bin, and I need my computer. Now right click in desktop, then go personalize, then go theme, then desktop icon setting, then click computer, and if you need another this is user file network control panel, then you can click. I don't need this, so I don't click this. Now I want to need a computer and recycle bin. Click, and now okay, this is okay. This is Windows 10 Pro. I installed 64-bit BC. This is a 64 based processor, and this laptop have 3 GB RAM and a dual core CPU 2.16 GHz. So and one more thing, after Windows complete, we need to crack this Windows. Now I go my pen drive and go Windows 10 activator, then double click here, and run this reloader by King. And then go run. This software is for crack Windows 10. Then I accept. This is a Windows. Click here automatically, and now click active. Yes, it's work. Activating Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. You see it one sign here, and this is now active. This is a new file. I can delete it. This is not need in my computer. You see this PC, right click and click properties, then you see Windows is activated. Now all process are complete. Install complete. Now I install other software what I need. So, and one more thing, after Windows complete, then I need auto update. Turn off auto update. Then I go search and type TASK task. Then go task scheduler. Then click this icon, then Microsoft, then go Windows and go under extend this bar and go Windows update. This is automatic app update. Right click here and disable it, and schedule start, disable. Okay, now complete, and now close this bar and go this PC, right click, then go manage, then service and application, double click service, go under there and click double click Windows Update. This is double click Windows Update and startup type, click here and disable and stop. Okay, now okay. And one more thing, check device manager, any missing driver here. I see one mass storage driver and one video controller driver, and I want to install this driver manually. So Windows is complete and update also disable. So viewers, if you like this video, then give us like, comment and share, and subscribe our channel for future video, and must subscribe and click the bell icon. Today is finished. And if you need any other help, any other software, any other laptop hardware or software problem, then you can contact with us and give us in comment. We reply your comment. And today is finished. Allah Hafiz.